Can you hear it's idling? You have an electrical fault here now. This is bypass directly to the battery. This is not something of my expertise, but as you can see, I at least found the problem. And vehicle is idling. Let me just show you that. There's the wire. So it's not a fuel pump issue now. It's an electrical issue after they fitted the tracker. So yeah. I'm gonna die off track when I blame on. But yeah, this is an auto thing. It's not not my level of expertise. But there's definitely a live missing running. The live is still here, no? That is also active. That's your fuel relay. So fuse, die weerkoek. It's from behind here, going back. It's not my expertise, but as you can see, I started the vehicle now. The pump works. The wiring is an issue.